Hi, good morning. In this video, we will discuss about the conditional statements in Python. Conditional statements are otherwise known as decision-making statements. Decision-making is, it decides the direction of the flow of program execution. So, based on the given condition, whether it is true or false, the set of statements, that is a block of code, will be executed. Various types of decision making statements are if statement, if else statement, nested if statement, if elif statement. If statement execute the set of statement, that is the body of the statement, if the condition is true. If it is false, nothing will be taking place. So you have a test expression and in that condition will be there. If it is true, then the body will be executed. If it is false, the condition fails, then it will be coming out of that if statement. Next is if else statement. In that condition will be given. If it is true, some set of codings will be executed. If it is false, that is if the condition fails, then another set of code will be executed. Then next is sample code. We have a sample program for if else statements. First one is x is equal to 4, y equal to 6. If x is less than y, print x is less than y. Else colon print x is not less than y. When you are writing the Python program, always remember the intending. Intending plays an important role in Python execution. So here the x value is 4 and y value is 6. 4 is less than 6. So you are getting answer as x is less than y. Then next program is x is equal to 6 and y equal to 2. The same coding, but I am changing the inputs. Here the x value is greater and y value is lesser. So if x less than y, here in this case it will execute the else block. So x is not less than y will be the answer. Next we have nested if statements. Test expression will be there and if it is true, some set of statements will be executed. If it is false, again we have text expression here, and if it is true, again you have another set of block. If the statement is false, again some other set of statements will be executed, and all the statements will be following the statements which are written below the if statements. If elif ladder sample code. In this sample program, the value of I is given as 20 in the beginning. If I is equal to 10, then we are printing I is 10. If I is equal to 15, then print I is 15. If I equal to 20, print I is 20. Else print I is not present. So here in the first three conditions, we are checking whether the I value is equal to 10, 15 or 20. If you give some other value other than these three, it will execute the else block, that is I is not present. And here directly we are assigning the value as 20 and it will be compared with the I value in the elif. So here the output will be I is 20. Another example is num equal to 10. If num equal to 0, print number is 0. If num greater than 5, print number is greater than 5. Else print number is smaller than 5. So here we are doing three comparisons. First we are getting the number from the user. Whether it is equal to 0, first we are checking. Otherwise, and in the elif part we are checking whether that number is greater than 5 or less than 5. Just we are printing a message, number is greater than 5, and if it is of else, else indicates that is not equal to 0 and not greater than 5 and the number is smaller than 5. Suppose if we give the number 3, then you will get the output like number is smaller than 5. So for this given statement, the output will be number is greater than 5 as the number is given as 10 in the beginning. Next we have a sample code in the Python editor for nested if statements. So here this program is quite interesting. Age is equal to int input. Please enter your age here. If age is less than 18, you are minor, you are not eligible to work. Else, in the else part we have two conditions. One is greater than 18, another one is age less than 60. Both the comparison we are doing in one if part. If both these conditions fails, then it will go to the next set of else statements. So here suppose if you give the value like 15, first set of statement will be executed. That is, you are minor, you are not eligible to work. Then suppose if you give a number in between the range 18 to 60, both are included, then you are eligible to work and you can fill in your detail and you can apply for the job. If your age is more than 60, then you are too old to work as per the government rules. Please collect your pension. Okay, we will see the output. Please enter your age. 14 I am giving, so you are getting answer like you are minor and you are not eligible to work. In the second example I am giving the age as 27, so that is the middle range. So you are getting the output like you are eligible to work. Please fill in your details and apply. In the third one I am giving the value as 61, that is the age as 61. If it is greater than or equal to 60, you will be getting it in the middle block. And if it is in between that range, you will be getting the answer in the middle block. Now we are giving a value which is greater than 60. You are too old to work as per the government rules and please collect your pension.